whatever you give, you get it in return multifold. So there is a bit of a selfishness. कितना भी छोटा काम हो, do it with the whole 100% of you. I think whatever your dream is, don't let it go. Look at it and try to make it into reality, because if you focus your energy towards achieving your dream, it will surely come true.
Hi, this is Siddharth Shukla from Take One Film Me, and today I have with me multifaceted Dr. Aditi Govitrekar. जिनके सामने now I'm a bit scared because she's a doctor. She has a doctor degree. She's masters from Harvard in psychology. आगे नहीं बोलूँगा मैं. But I have to say, also the director of Marvelous Mrs. India.
That is right.
Yes. Firstly, many congratulations for the successful season.
Thank you.
As a director, I want to start with this. As a director of a pageant, a beauty pageant, I can say, how does it make you feel? Is it empowering because you're actually giving platform to a lot of women? Because in India, especially, patriarchy is there worldwide, but especially in India, बोलते हैं कि शादी के बाद
जिंदगी
खत्म या तो सपने या शादी, but it's actually the reverse is happening.
Yes.
Getting married is one of the beautiful aspects of anyone's life, and then you're giving a platform. How does it make you feel?
Well, thank you so much, Siddharth, for having me here and giving me this opportunity to express my thoughts and feelings where Marvelous Mrs. India is concerned. The reason why I started Marvelous Mrs. India is not only to empower the women out there, but also in turn to empower myself. Because
Wow.
I do believe that whatever you give, you get it in return multifold. So there is a bit of a selfishness to this. However, of course, the whole endeavor to start this is to empower women, to enrich their lives, to give them that holistic training, so that when they emerge out of this platform, whether they win the crown or not, they have something in them which sets them apart from pre and post. And
Right.
that is a feedback that I have got not once but twice now.
Wow. And I have to tell you, I watched her, I just arrived some time back, and I watched her being so indulgent with all the beautiful women. I swear, the angles, the camera angles, not everyone does that. When you have a platform and you're actually giving a platform to others and being so indulgent, it's not just कि I'm a director, मैंने ये किया, मेरा काम हो गया. It's post that also you're being very indulgent. Where do you get this passion for this?
So my belief is that whatever you're doing, you should do it with passion.
Of course.
Unfortunately, what I see around is mediocrity. कि कर लेंगे, जैसा भी होता है हो जाएगा, पैसा तो मिलने वाला है. But if you take pride in whatever you're doing, if you take the ownership, the accountability, irrespective of how small your job or work is, it will show in your work.
For
And
sure.
that speaks a world of your integrity towards whatever you're doing, and then success will be yours.
Right.
So चाहे कितना भी छोटा काम हो, do it with the whole 100% of you.
Right.
And that's what I believe in. So I don't hesitate in picking up a chair or fixing something. I don't say that, oh, it's not my job. Why should I do it? It's beneath me. No, it is my platform. And if I have to empower somebody, I have to walk the talk. If I'm teaching this, that take 100% pride in what you're doing, I have to walk the talk.
Right, for sure. And please, ma'am, correct me if I'm wrong. You were the first Indian woman to win the Mrs. World
Yes.
title.
Yes.
That's a huge, and especially back then.
Yes.
It's in 2001,
Yes.
right? It's a huge achievement in itself. What's the difference that you see, back then and now when it comes to, beauty pageants or just women being women in the society?
Right. So I think the biggest change which I would like to point out is the fact that now married women have that freedom to still be in the glamour field. Back then in 2001, if a lady was even in a relationship, forget getting married or being married, they could not openly admit to it. They would always say, oh, we are just good friends. It was all under wraps. Nobody came out and said it in open. But now I think because of Mrs. World and because of the journey that one has walked on, now you see women who have children are still playing main leads, and that is truly empowering.
Amazing. That's amazing.
Yes.
That's amazing. And you're absolutely right, because back then, we would hear stories that heroines and actresses, they would never,
They could
शादी
not.
हुई, career खत्म.
They weren't allowed. right?
Yeah,
Unfortunately.
yeah. But also, you hold yourself very confidently because there's not one thing that defines you. Like I said, it's multifaceted. You've done a lot of things. You're carrying the degrees and the profession equally with the glamour and beauty.
Yes.
How do you manage that?
So my hashtag for Marvelous Mrs. India is Beauty Inside Out. Again, I
Wow.
walk the talk, because if I only wear stylish clothes and look glamorous and don't work on my beauty within, so be it spirituality or be it educating myself constantly, how am I beauty inside out, right? It's very important to upgrade ourselves every single day. So
Right.
I'm of the belief that you have to look after yourself. You have to look after your brain health, and the way to keep your brain healthy is by constantly learning something new, and that is my endeavor in life.
Wow, and I think you would be the perfect person to ask if I have to ask you what's the correct meaning of equality and feminism for you, because it's a very misquoted term.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so how do you define it?
So, well, I firmly believe that men and women are not equal physically.
Right.
So we are not looking at getting equal opportunities in terms of we will run the same race or we will enter the wrestling arena with a man. No, we are not talking about that. Physiologically, anatomically, we are built differently. A woman can make a human being in herself, a man cannot. However, the man is a lot more stronger because of the testosterone. However, when I speak about equality, it is about the opportunities cerebrally, mentally, emotionally. A child, a woman, a girl child or a boy child should get equal opportunities where education is concerned. In job, equally qualified man or a woman should get the chance to prove themselves in a similar fashion. The expectation from a woman should not be different from a man. The pay should be same.
Right.
Yeah.
We mentioned about the pay. Do you feel has the pay parity, जो हम topic बहुत time से चलता आ रहा है, and it should go on till it happens.
Yes.
In corporate and otherwise in entertainment, do you feel we have seen there's a difference coming in when it comes to pay parity?
Absolutely. So I think things are changing, but they are not equal
Of course.
so far. But we are taking baby steps towards in that direction. So, well, hopefully soon.
What's in the work front? What's coming up next with you? What are you working on in terms of projects?
So Mismatch season 3 is going to release very soon. It's season 3, so I'm very happy.
Yeah.
Other OTT series which was released recently was on Disney Hotstar called Life Il Gayi, which was with Kusha Kapila and Vinay Pathak, Divyendu, etc. So that just released on the Disney Hotstar.
Amazing. And before I let you go, I cannot not talk to you about the song Kabhi To Nazar Mil Na Ho.
Okay.
When I'm talking to you, it cannot happen because it was such a rage. It still is.
Yes.
We've all, when friends sit and we're talking, even in the background it's running, it's so
Yeah.
soothing. How was the response back then? Because to be honest, we were
Kids, babies,
I didn't want
or not born.
no, we were born, but we were
born,
kids.
okay.
Yeah. We were kids. So we don't know the response you might have
Yeah.
received. Did it help you in career-wise, or how was it?
Right. So at that time, it was Adnan Samiji's first song. He had just come from Pakistan into India, and this was his first song that was going to be released. When I heard the song, I have to admit, I thought it was a bit slow.
Okay.
But I said I want to do it because Asha Bhosle, she was the person.
Yeah.
And I said I have always admired her. I said no, for her I will do it. But after 3 or 4 times when I heard the song, I'm like, oh my god, this is such a beautiful song. And it remains relevant even today. Like the melody, the lyrics,
Yeah.
it's stunning, it's beautiful, and I'm glad I said yes to the song.
It's actually growing like a fine
Yes.
wine.
Yes.
It's even much better today, considering. Anyway, we'll not go there. Acha, we have already spoken about it, but I want to address this. Last message you have for the people who say beauty pageants, be it Miss India, Mrs. India, or any beauty pageant format for that matter, is just it's superficial.
Yeah, that has been what is going around. However, like I said, that our pageant focuses on beauty inside out. So if you take our winners or if you take our training or subtitles, it's all 50-50. I give equal importance to external beauty because that is also important. This is, our body is a temple that we live in. We got to look after it the body.
Of course.
Secondly, you have to dress right. You can't be frumpy. You can't be not groomed. So they're equally important, right? So beauty has to be looked after inside as well as outside. So we have holistic training where the beauty, so spirituality is there.
That's
We
right.
even taught the girls about financial health.
Wow.
So understand what
That's
SIP
important.
is, understand what options, futures, equity, stocks, everything. We gave them a insight to that also. So every aspect of human life was touched upon and they were given training in that. Related to beauty pageants, how to walk, how to conduct yourself, social etiquettes, social media etiquettes, time, everything was taught.
A true Mrs. India, for that
Yes.
matter.
Yes, indeed.
And Mrs. World, for
Yes.
hopefully. Before we sign off, any message you have for the viewers and the people watching you?
I think whatever your dream is, don't let it go. Look at it and try to make it into reality. Because if you focus your energy towards achieving your dream, it will surely come true.
Amazing, and it was pleasure talking to you.
Likewise,
Nanu,
Siddharth.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm so glad you joined the chat.
Thank you.
I hope we meet again.
Yes.
And thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Bye bye.